Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are very well. Here we are from group 2. We'll present our material about asking question in lecture. But before we start this presentation, let me to introduce our members. For the first, Uswatun Hasanah. Second, Salsa Herawati. Third, Siti Salsa Beal. Fourth, Fadilatul Umami. For the last, Imanudin Zaki Nawawi. Okay, for the presentator, time is yours.
First, how to asking question in lectures. Most lecturers welcome questions at any time, but it's a good idea to check with your lecturer first. They may prefer that you wait until a certain point in the lecture where they stop for questions, or until the end of the lecture. If you're not sure, wait until the end of the lecture and ask then. Some of the things we will present are: first, how to asking question in lectures. Second, how to have a good conversation. Third, example asking question in lectures. First, how to asking question in lectures. Most lecturers welcome questions at any time, but it's a good idea to check with your lecturer first. They may prefer that you wait until a certain point in the lecture where they stop for questions, or until the end of the lecture. If you're not sure, wait until the end of the lecture and ask then.
How to have a good conversation. 1. Pay full attention to what the conversation or lecture is about. Focus on who is talking and what is being talked. And when you find something on which you haven't fully understood yet or need more explanation, go ask. Every question from which you can learn more and help you understand about the subject being taught is a good question. 2. Put up your hand confidently, good and high, and keep it there until the lecturer asks you what you want. 3. When he or she does this, say thank you and ask, can I ask a question? If they say yes, then go ahead. If they say later, ensure you do ask or visit the lecturer at the end to get the info you need. 4. Be brave. If you don't ask, you will be missing important discourse and information, and everyone will suffer for that.
Example asking question in lectures. There are several ways to ask question in lecture. Like, can I ask a question? May I ask a question? I'd like to ask a question. Do you mind if I ask a question? For example, look at this conversation. Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. How are the holidays? Have you finished the work which I had asked you to do? I nearly finished it. However, I'm facing a problem in understanding a few concepts. Let me know which area needs more explanation. Sorry, ma'am. Do you mind if I ask a question? Yeah, sure. In the last session, you taught me adjectives. I have found that few adjectives are ending with ed and few of them finishing with in. But I'm incapable to know which adjective is used at what place. The ed adjectives are used to define our feelings, and in adjectives represent the property of a person or a thing. So when I say, I'm confused, is it correct? Yes, Confused is the word because if it's your feeling, then you need to add ed to confuse and it becomes your feeling. Now I have learned. Thank you so much, man. You are always welcome.
Okay guys, thank you so much for your attention. If you have any question, let's discuss in Telegram group. Then you and see you.